Hi everyone, welcome back to my sewing room. In today's video, I am going to talk about the 3 great reasons to sew clothes for yourself and your family, and one reason that isn't really that great. But if you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Lisa. I am the owner and designer behind Pink Hollybush Designs. The goal of Pink Hollybush Designs through our patterns and courses is to help women master the arts of smocking, heirloom sewing, and working with knit fabrics so that they can confidently create beautiful clothes that they and their families will love. Okay, so let's dive into my 3 reasons that you should sew for yourself and your family. So reason number 1 is that sewing is a form of self-care. It's a way in this crazy, wild, fast-paced world to slow down, create something beautiful with your hands, and just take a little time for yourself and to express that wonderful creativity that you have inside of yourself. Reason number 2 to sew for yourself or for your home is it's a way to express your own unique personality. Now, this doesn't mean that it has to be something wild and crazy. It can be something very simple. Maybe it's the print you pick for a fabric. Maybe it's a unique color. Maybe you added a special little touch, a ribbon or a trim. Maybe you took the time to find those special, unique vintage or handmade buttons that you added to a garment. Whatever it is, yours will be the only one, and that makes it unique and special. And you've added a little bit of your personality by doing that. I, of course, love to do this by adding some handwork with the hand smocking and sometimes hand embroidery to things and garments that I make. But however you choose to do it, as I said, it's an expression of your personality, your creativity. Reason number 3, if you sew for someone else, a friend or a loved one, it's a way to connect with them, to show them that you care, that they are special to you because you took your precious time to create something unique just for them. I've spoken before on this channel, but I have 2 adorable granddaughters and they don't live close to me, unfortunately. So one of the ways that I connect with them is to sew special garments for them so that in the morning when I'm not there, they can get dressed in a Gigi made top or dress, and it can remind them of me and let them know that I care even though I'm miles away. Now, as I said, it doesn't have to be something elaborate or fancy. You could get started with something very simple. For example, my granddaughter takes her nap at daycare every day in the blanket that I made her, and I will link to that video. So we have 3 reasons why you should sew. A form of self-care for yourself, to express your own unique personality, and to show others that you love and care for them. So what's that reason that's not a great reason to sew? Well, to save money. Now, don't get me wrong. There are times and places that you definitely can sew something cheaper than you can actually purchase it, especially if the value you're placing on the item is the uniqueness of the item. But if you want to just compare, for example, a dress that my granddaughter is going to wear to daycare, I certainly could purchase that cheaper than I can make it for her. For the other reasons I mentioned, a purchase item can't come near to replacing something that I have created and sewn for myself, for someone else, with love, intention, and purpose. If you want to get started on your sewing journey, I have a free resource. I hope you will grab it. It's listed down below that lists all my favorite shops and places to buy different sewing and smocking essentials. You'll find that in the Essential Sewing and Smocking Toolkit. Also, if you are interested in smocking, you will find all kinds of information on how to get started with that down below as well. I hope you check out those resources and that you'll sew something for yourself or a loved one today.